Okay, let's get in Sameet Chavan as well as Sumeet Bagadia. They join in as well on the show to share with us some of their trading strategies on the brink of breaking into the green right now as we're making our way towards the 7,900 mark. Sameet, walk us through what makes the list.
Good morning to both of you. We have all three buys in our list. First one would be on Glenmark Pharma for a target of 898 and stop loss can be placed at 838. Yesterday we witnessed a good price volume breakout on the daily charts from its major resistance zone of 840.45 on a closing basis. This has resulted in a higher top higher bottom formation on weekly chart as well. Thus we expect this momentum to continue. Target would be 898. Our other buy call would be on Arvind for a target of 316. Today in the initial part of the day we saw a good price volume breakout from the resistance zone of 294. On the hourly chart we are seeing a good price action along with the decent rise in volumes. Thus going forward we expect this momentum to continue. We can see the stock climbing towards 316 and it can be bought on any dip by keeping a strict stop loss at 282. And our final call would be on Titan. We have been maintaining this buy call since last 4 to 5 days, and we maintain our view that the stock is likely to give a very good up move in the next probably couple of weeks time. 390 would be our immediate target and it can be bought by keeping a strict stop loss at 360.
Okay, those are some ideas coming in from Sameet Chauhan. Sumeet Bagadia also joins in then. And Sumeet, what is it that you have on your list and your reason behind selecting those stocks?
Hi, good morning, Kamya. Well, as far as the day trading picks are concerned, the first call is SDFC. SDFC is looking good on charts. From past 5 consecutive days, we have seen that the stock has been moving up, and from the lower levels of 1090, we have seen a straight upside move rally. And yesterday we saw a breakout. Day before yesterday and yesterday we saw a good move, and also on charts we have seen breakout above 1190 levels. I think SDFC is good for a trading perspective as well as for an investment perspective. If anyone wants to initiate a long position in SDFC for a trading perspective, they can initiate at CMP with a small stop loss to be placed at 1195 on lower side for the immediate target of 1250. And if 1250 is taken away, then we can see extended target for the levels of 1300 in next 1.5 2 month time horizon. So overall SDFC looks good to me for a longer term time horizon also. And if anyone is doing for a trading perspective, then 1195 should be the stop loss for the long position in SDFC. Well, the second stock for the day is Tata Motors. Tata Motors is looking weak on charts. From past 3-4 days, we have seen that the stock has been struggling, and from higher levels, we have seen a good amount of correction in Tata Motors. At present, it seems that there is a possibility that we might see levels of around 375, 370 in next couple of days. So till that time, 401 is not taken away on higher side. Any pullback in the prices from present levels till 395 should be used as a selling opportunity for the targets of 370 in next couple of days. Well, the third stock for the day is Apollo Tyre. I think Apollo is looking weak on charts, and also we have seen a correction in Apollo Tyre from the levels of 180, and in last 2 to 3 days we have seen that stock is facing resistance at around 158, 160 levels. So purely for a trading perspective for next 2 to 3 days, I think if anyone wants to initiate a position in Apollo Tyre, then it should be on sell side. Traders can initiate sell position in Apollo Tyre at CMP, or if there is a pullback to 155 levels, then that should be used as a selling opportunity with a small stop loss to be placed at 158 rupees on higher side. And on downside, immediate support would be at 150 levels, and if 150 is taken away, then we can see levels of around 146 in next 2 to 3 days. So for our overall target of 146, one can initiate sell position at somewhere at around 154, 155 levels, which is the current market price, with a stop loss to be placed at 158 levels.
Thanks for walking us through all of your equity strategies and cues on the markets. Meantime, commodities where oil prices have dipped on record US inventories and gold prices also have climbed off their 2-week lows as the dollar has retreated with the equities. We've got some strategies lined up for you from Bharat Kumar of GFM. He has a strategy on gold. He believes that you can buy into MCX June gold in the range of 29,800, stop loss below 29,600 and a target of 30,400. Meantime, on May crude, he believes that one can buy MCX May crude in the range of 29 to 40 with a stop loss below levels of 29.20, a target placed at 30.60. Okay, those are top equity and commodity strategies for you on Traders 20. We slip into a quick break. Come right back with BNSN.